As automotive manufacturing enters the era of razor-thin margins, efficiency, precision, and cost now define supply chain competitiveness. For HSG, meeting the demands of automotive production is more than a promise. It's a complete solution built around efficiency, precision, and safety. Speed is the foundation of productivity. The CELL 5-axis 3D laser cutting machine comes standard with an integrated dual rotary table with just 2-second indexing. Cutting and loading run simultaneously, reducing idle time and significantly boosting productivity. Compatible with offline programming with thousands of process parameters ready to use. No repeated adjustments, just one-step setup. Real-time marking supports one-click setup, flexible positioning, and multiple formats. Cutting and marking completed simultaneously. The hole inspection function precisely identifies defects like missing or uncut holes, greatly improving first-pass yield and production stability. Shorter production cycles for efficient mass production of automotive parts. We pursue speed, but precision is where CELL truly stands out. An integrated welded bed, linear slide system, and lightweight beam structure deliver stronger vibration resistance. It shortens installation time and builds a solid base for precision cutting. The self-developed LA5 3D cutting head features a lighter, upgraded structure, 10 kilograms lighter than the previous generation. Less weight, no loss of rigidity. Even at high speed, the TCP remains precisely positioned, meeting the demands of rigid, high-precision cutting. Capacitive auto-calibration positioning keeps the cutting head responsive and precise, with stable height control and reliable piercing for complex part accuracy. Teach programming simplifies operation, while an intuitive interface helps even non-experts handle complex tasks for faster startup and smoother production. Safety is the baseline of efficient manufacturing, and HSG's commitment. A full enclosure, safety doors, and radiation-shielded windows effectively isolate laser exposure and protect a clean workshop environment. Safety light curtains protect the loading zone. When an operator enters the area, the rotary table stops immediately, minimizing risk from every angle. Flexible table sizes available, balancing speed and precision perfectly. With breakthrough efficiency, exceptional precision, and all-round safety protection, the CELL Series 5-axis 3D laser cutting machine empowers automotive manufacturers to gain a competitive edge in both quality and efficiency.